Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to set up Apple Pay on Wix. This is a fast and secure payment method that makes checkout easier for customers, especially on mobile devices. Let's get started. On the Wix editing dashboard, to add Apple Pay to your Wix site, all we need to do is click the settings in the lower left part of the screen. Once we are here, we just need to click Access, Accept Payments. Here, we can see right away the Apple Pay options. To add Apple Pay, all we have to do is connect Accept and credit cards. Then, click Continue and click Accept so that Apple Pay is added to your Wix site. As we can see, it is now on the list of cards, Apple Pay and Google Pay. Now we just need to enable that option and then click Continue, so it will be added to your payment methods on Wix. Once that's done, we just have to upgrade this one so that it becomes available on your site. And that's how we set up Apple Pay on Wix. With this simple integration, we can offer a smoother checkout experience and improve our store's conversions.